Hi everyone, this is Roshan and welcome to AdvanceCS. Today we'll learn the uh, one of the OOPS concept, that is polymorphism. So let's move on the workspace and let's see the terminology that we can uh, read to understand it. So polymorphism allow us to perform a single action in different ways. In other words, polymorphism allows us to define one interface and have multiple implementations. So first look what these actually the word mean. So poly means many and form means and morphism means forms, means many forms. Like that here if you'll see this first uh, sentence, polymorphism allow us to perform a single action in different ways. Suppose that you have to find the area of three different shapes, three different shapes, that is, one is rectangle, another is square, and third one is a circle. So this is one of the problem statement. Now there are two types of polymorphism we have. One is compile time and another is runtime. Now let's see what is compile time. So do you observe whenever I was running a program, I click a play button from here, or you can run from here, from run. Then there is something is happening behind the scene. Here you will see that some build is happening, so that is nothing but actually it is compiling the code. So Java first compiling the code and create a dot class file, and after the compiling it is running a file with extension dot java. So first you need to create, like, if you have created a demo dot java in our colleges. I remember when this I was not aware about this IntelliJ IDs and all. I was usually running the program, like, first I need to compile the our program like demo dot java. It actually compiling the program compiling the program and creates a dot class file which is executable for Java. Compiling. Okay, so there is a two-step we were using at our college time in order to run a Java program. Whenever we have run this command, java c demo.java, then after compiling, successful compilation, we'll get another file called demo.class. Okay, so whenever this demo.class is created, then we need to run the program and we need to see our output. So how we are doing? We are doing java demo.class. So this is running running the program, running the code, we can say. So there is a two step here in Java. First it is compiling the code with this command, another is it is running. So the polymorphism is happening at the time of compilation, that is called method overloading. Method overloading, we'll see the method overloading by solving this problem statement, and method overriding. Okay, so method overloading, what it is in method overloading, we have different methods with same name but different parameters, and their return type is also different. And method overriding is to the same method name, but at the runtime it inherits from its superclass. So just let's on uh, the workspace and we'll see this programmatically. So just create a Java class, and we'll give name as polymorphism demo. Okay, just ignore this the spelling here. By mistakenly I have given L before of Y. So just come here and we'll define public static void main string JS. So this is the main method I have created. Now what we'll do, we'll create a class and we'll give different methods with same name and with different parameters. So just give class uh, calculate area, and what it does, so just don't, okay, just calculate area, and here we'll give public void area info will give, and here we'll give, here we will not calculate area. This is just for example sake. Here we have given return type as void and will not receive any parameter in this. Now again we'll give another method with public, will return type will specify here as int, and area will give a name as area only, area, and method name we should give as small, that's why the error was here, area. We'll give int s. So here now error gone. Why? Because here we have given a parameter name is same, but here it doesn't have any parameter, and here we are we are expecting one parameter as s, that is the side of any square will take, and we'll create another one again here. And why this error is coming? Because we have specify a return type here, but we didn't given any return here. So we'll return side into side. So the area of a square is side into side. So straightforward will return from a single line. So now we'll give a public int again, and we'll again give a area. The name is same, but this time we are expecting length and breadth as well. So here we'll return length into breadth is the area of the rectangle. Now we'll move on another method and we'll give int area, name is same, and here we'll receive float. We'll give the radius, so just I have given r, and we'll give the return type of float only, because it will definitely the radius will be a not definitely, generally we can take float, so that's why I have given a float when we are expecting the decimals number. So here I will return 2 into 2 into pi value I will give as a constant here, 3.14 into r, 2 pi r. Okay, what it is telling, Okay, double, we'll take a double here. Double. Okay, so we have given, will return 2 into pi value 3.14 I have given, and radius will get in the parameter. So this calculate area I have given multiple method definition with the same method name, but here you can see the return type is different and the parameter is also different. So now I will create a object of calculate area, calculate cal area, and now I will call cal area dot area, and been initialized. Okay, so sorry, I have forget here to give a new calculate area. So if you'll see cal area and area I have given, and it didn't, so the param argument I have given as 0. So here if you'll see, there is no argument, and return type is also, I'm not expecting any return value from the method definition. So here if I will run this program, it will go and print this one. Here we will not calculate area. So just go and run polymorphism demo, and here now see, it is compiling now, and when compilation is done, we'll see the output here, and the output is here we will not calculate area. So these all things happen at the compile time. At the compile time, it checks, okay, which area I need to see. So I need to see a area which doesn't have any arguments and does not expect any returning value. So these all things happen in the background at the time of compilation of the code. So that's why it come under the compile time polymorphism. So now I will calculate, I will give a message system dot out dot println the area of square is, sorry, plus square is cal area dot area, and here I will give square is 4. So here if you'll see, I'm expecting a return value, that's why I have given a message here. So what it will print, the area of square is cal area, and it expects one argument. So here it will go at the time of compilation, and we'll see area method with one parameter, that is this one, and the return type should be int. So it will return a int value here. So if I will run here, we'll run from here, we'll run from multiple places from here. You can run from here and run from here also, run from here also. So we'll see here it is compiling now. So the area of a square is 16. So it has given us a integer value because we have defined the return type as an integer, and now we'll see the area of a rectangle. So for here we'll give system dot println the area of a rectangle is same object, now same method, and we'll give two values as 2 and 7. So let's see what value it will give us. The area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 7 to the 14. So here the area of rectangle is 14 here. So now I'm going to find the area of a square, so we'll give the same method message. The area of a circle is calculate area dot area, and passing the radius as 4.5, and here we have mentioned the return type as a double, so here we'll see the decimal value. So just run. Here if you'll see, the area of circle is 28.26. Now we'll see a runtime polymorphism, that is a method overridden. So for this we'll create another Java class, and we'll runtime polymorph of demo. So this class has been created, and we'll create a static void main string. So we need to give array of a string here, public static void main, okay, sorry, string args. Now we have created our main method. Now we'll create a class that is name as a parent, and we'll give a message here like void display, and it will have a simple message that this is a parent class. Now we'll create another class that is called child extends parent, and here we'll give again a simple message display, and this is a child class. Here in for our info check, we can give annotations, that is at the rate override, that actually tells you that okay, this method is overridden from the parent class, that is display. So here you can see one suggestion is given, this method is overridden. If you'll click here, it will take you to the child class display. So now I'm going to create an object of parent obj is equal to new parent obj dot display. So what do you think, what will happen here? So we have created an object of parent class, so what would it will go at the runtime, it will check which object it is, and it will go here and it will show that this is a parent class. So let's see here. So it is building now after compilation. So display, this is a parent class. Okay, so okay, sorry, this the method is selected here, polymorphism demo. So just we need to run runtime polymorphism demo. So just run it. Now here if you'll see, the class name is changed now, and it is building. and we'll see this is a parent class. Why? Because we have created an object of the parent with the default constructor. Now what we'll do, we'll obj will create another object of parent obj1 with the new child. Now if we'll obj1 dot display. So here now the object is created of the child class, which is a subclass of the superclass that is parent. So control Z. Okay, so now we'll see here two uses. It shows now one is for the parent and another is for the child. So just run here and we'll see these of the two messages. So the and what I will do, I will just comment this for a while to make you understand. The priority is given to that class for which the object is created. So now for the object is created for the child with obj1 and constructor the child we have uses, so it will construct the object for the child class. So priority is given to this child class and this display method will be shown here. So you can see here this is a child class. So this is a runtime polymorphism. When this thread, this process is running, at the time it decides based on the object created. So that's it about the polymorphism. So thanks guys, please like the video and share and subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you.